Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show how to fix Instagram Reels friend option not showing problem. Okay, let's start. First go to your Play Store and check update your Instagram. My Instagram is already updated. Okay, now back. Second, you go to your Instagram. Click on Instagram app. Now click on profile icon. Now click on this icon. Now scroll down. Click on help. Click on reboot a problem. Now click on reboot flame without shaking. Then click on include and continue. Now type your problem. Type your problem. Then send this problem. I hope your problem is solved. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.